Hi, my name is Katusha, your sex and relationship coach. Quick video today. How to make a woman want you sexually. I'm gonna give you the rule of 3 P's. Let's dive in. Number 1, pursue. We love when you pursue us. We love when you call us. We love when you text us. We love when you pick us up. We love when you drop us off. We love chivalry. That's all part of the pursuit. Think of it as sperm and eggs. An egg is sitting there and waiting for the toughest and the fastest sperm to arrive and give her babies. It just comes down to that. We love when you pursue us. Number 2, protect. Men are physically stronger and bigger than women, and we tend to go for men who are taller than us, who are stronger than us, to physically protect us. Plus, we are carrying babies for 9 months, then we're nursing babies. In America, they give you only 3 months to nurse the baby. And in Russia, it's actually 3 years, right? So 4 years is a long time to be in a vulnerable state. So we need a man to protect us. So women are hardwired to protect and nurture, and men are wired to protect and provide, which brings us to number 3, the third P, provide. They kind of go together in a Western world, right? Protect and provide. But for the sake of this video, I separated it. So provide. Lots of surveys, studies, research have been done, and it shows that women choose men who make the same amount of money or higher. Now, current scientific thinking is that women's tendency to seek out more successful male is a part of genetic survival program. So scientists who specialize in brain chemistry say that men and women's brain neurology have not changed since the caveman day. Men and women are inherently different. So let's honor that. So living here in New York, in this democratic state, in the city, this idea of that men and women are the same, they are equal, what is it? In what sense they're equal? We are different. Now you're talking about equality of opportunities or equality of outcome, right? Equality of opportunities sure is great, but equality of outcome is simply dangerous. Now, so look at the Scandinavian countries where they minimize the cultural differences. What happened? The biological differences maximized. In other words, when men and women were given the same opportunities, by free choice, women picked jobs that had to do with people and nurture, and men picked jobs having to do with, creating structures, tech, industries, building planes, engineers, right? It doesn't mean a woman can't be a great engineer. It doesn't mean a man can't be a great nurse. But if you give men and women free choice, research shows, real life shows that due to our biological differences, we pick different professions. So let's honor our nature. Let's love each other. We also want to be loved and approached in different ways, men and women. So this is what these videos are about. All right, subscribe, please subscribe, like it, share it. Please ring that bell to be notified about my next video, and I will see you very soon. Mwah.